Yes. Kimomai timo. Obolio muntu na watu chilezo na kote. Enya mole olende. Lero na rode buyanga. Diga to semanie to manyama nayo. Thank you.
Buyama no tenente mo manyata ankande. His Excellency Aseri tukoli alero. Togo atie memorandum yoko kwa sababu kenge tongo chakere tariga iga Aseri tuke to konyolenga na itoko kusaba ebinte binge akino kwato moyo gokorwa kora ikende kaya okuno bunga kora bantu bebeno no free Aseri bageri yonkorangeri omunyagitari Dr. Nkwale okorwa introduce committee ae secretary eto Patrick Lumumba nere alente abawasiri baito abaya ekerage bagotebanga gabana gatebire batume bagotuma bamakubonga ubotambe na kyoza getume na intuna boigo muna chia musie gabana gatenga tenena togotena otabikaranza togoikaranza igo gabana ndekanya gokogosa bangana yokuramu mbono no tokuramu no kwanyale Nairobi kani gaiga no turuma ga yao bali bagokurama igo bakwerama ntuna otole tokonya magendero naye omwando gokwe gwase bali bakoigwerete tonja gotogi bali batakoigwerete bali bakwanjite na steam ba ebintu bia mono.
Thank you, our area MCA Steve Arika, Your Excellency the Governor, Her Excellency the First Lady, the CEC's present, members of the County Assembly, and all the other invited guests. Your Excellency, I'm very excited for honoring our invitation. The area MCA really made sure that he had told us that he will make sure that His Excellency the Governor attends this function, and we are very excited. I'm also very grateful for you for allowing those living positively with HIV to have their testimonies. I'm very grateful for that. My part is just to acknowledge the journey we have walked. HIV prevalence in KISII County about 10 years back, it was 8.9%, and currently it is 4.7%. So a lot has been done over the last 10 years. And for that reason, allow me to identify and recognize the partners who have worked with us through this journey to ensure that we have services in all our facilities, both preventive care and treatment. So I'm calling upon all our partners, LVCT, KISII CAP, Darajambili, Dawoye, Irdo, all of them, please come forward. Our partners, please. Hurry up, hurry up. We can also have KISII University and KMTC representative and Kenya Poly. Your Excellency, I will allow the PEPFAR representatives, one PEPFAR-supported partner, to give remarks on behalf of PEPFAR-supported implementing partner. Irene.
You are on behalf of the PEPFAR funded programs. My name is Irene Mora. I work for LVCT Health. We are running a project called Vocation 95. So for the PEPFAR funded projects, I want to mention that we are working towards the 95-95-95 HIV control goals, whereby we want to ensure that 95 of the populations are aware of their HIV status, Those who test HIV positive are put on care and ensuring that the 95% of them are retained in care and they are virally suppressed. Of course, we are targeting the general populations and looking at the vulnerable populations to ensure that all of them, they know their HIV status, they are put on care, and we are able to monitor their treatment outcomes. So for this day, I want to say that when we are looking at the Equalize, whereby we are able to see most of the t-shirts written Equalize, it's a call for us to collectively take action to ensure that we end the triple, it's called what? To end the triple threats. So let's join our hands and take actions towards ensuring that we are able to control HIV, and those who are on care, we are able to monitor their outcomes and they live long. And of course, we don't want to forget to look at those who've lost their lives. This is the day to really commemorate together. Thank you.
So that is PEPFAR funded partners, and we also have Global Fund supported partners, and I'll ask quickly for Dero to give brief remarks.
Your Excellency, all the protocol observed. On behalf of the Global Funded partners, I'm Weekly Fodero from Impact Research and Development Organization, together with Darajambili, Dawoye, and Kenya Red Cross. I want to take this opportunity to brief you, inform you that we implement several HIV prevention and treatment services cutting across several populations, like key population, which is female sex workers, transgender, KISII. We also implement AYP, adolescents and young population programs targeting HIV prevention and treatment. We also implement PMTCT like in the Darajambili. So for this particular day, Your Excellency, I'm glad to say that together with the Ministry of Health, KISII County Government, we've made several strides to ensure that the prevalence has been reduced the way it is. And all the fingers through our partnership together will still continue pressing the button to ensure that one day the dream come true that KISII will be free from HIV. Otherwise, thank you so much.
So that is Global Fund supported. Then we have USAID supported. Rosemary.
Our Excellency the Governor, the First Lady, all protocols observed. I'm Rosemary Ogola. I work with USAID Nuru ya Mtoto project, a USAID PEPFAR funded project. Basically, we target orphaned and vulnerable children. These children are infected or affected by HIV and AIDS. And currently we have 10,025 who are in our project already enrolled, out of which 2,444 are HIV positive children. This project looks at handling HIV at the household level, with the impact point at the child, but looking at all the social issues that affect the health of the child. So we intervene in basically 4 areas so that the child is able to have a full life growing up. In the area of health, in the area of the household stability, that is economic strengthening. We look into the safety of the child. Is the child safe? And school. Is the child going to school? And so we have services that go around these areas. We are happy to say that we have worked with the county government, the Ministry of Health and all the other partners to ensure that we handle adherence at the household level so that children live a full-fledged life. On this day, we are happy to work with all the other partners to handle the triple threats. Thank you so much.
Amref.
Your Excellency, Honorable Simba Arati, First Lady, Minister of Health, and all protocol observed. My name is Joram Monditi. I work with Amref Health Africa in Kenya, supporting a program on COVID-19 vaccination in KISII County. And here we are today to work closely with the other partners to see that people infected with HIV/AIDS get the COVID-19 vaccine so that they can be able to reduce the impact that they can be able to come with the infection with COVID-19. Apart from that, as Amref Health Africa, we have quite a number of implementing partners that we are supporting in this county to fight HIV and TB programs. So we're happy to work with the county government and we'll continue working with you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, the funding agency is CDC Africa. Then I'll ask KISII University to speak on behalf of the institutions of higher learning.
Thank you so much. I'm Dr. Lucy Karani. I teach at KISII University. I'm also the coordinator, AIDS Control Unit. We have a unit where we are taking care of the young ones. They're actually very active in their very active years, and therefore they need a lot of counseling, a lot of help, so that when the parents give us grown-ups in that age, we are able to return back to the society the kind of people whom they think should be brought back to the society. We are also taking care of non-communicable diseases as well as mental health. Now at this juncture, Honorable Sir, we would also request that you would have a way of assisting men also, because men are also experiencing gender-based violence. But many of them don't come out to be able to say that we are having it harsh in the house. So much of the time it is women who come out to say they are battered, but the men are never coming out. And therefore we are having a lot of men with mental issues. So can we also have a program as a county where men are also helped? Thank you so much, Honorable Sir, for bringing First Lady and for gracing this occasion. We are privileged to have you. All the best as you serve KISII County. Thank you.
Thank you. I think all the rest of you have been represented. You can have your seats. Thank you very much. So, Your Excellency, these are the partners who have assisted the county to achieve the goals and targets we have achieved in HIV. Allow me also to recognize the organizing committee for this event, the CHMT and the sub-county health management teams that are present, and recognize the area MCA, Steve Arika, for the support, especially the mobilization bit. Thank you very much. I now take this opportunity to welcome the county secretary to take over from here. Thank you very much.
Asante. Gavana Paul Simba Arati, gavana wa pili ya kaunti ya KISII, Your Excellency, the First Lady of KISII County Government, Madam May, mawaziri wote serikalini, madirectors wetu ambao wako hapa, Chair wa County Public Service Board, viongozi wetu katika letu la ugatuzi, wakilishi wa serikali ya kitaifa ambao wako hapa, development partners ambao wako hapa, wananchi na wale pia ambao wanaungua na ugonjwa huu ambao wamejitokeleza mbele ya gavana. Your Excellency, niruhusu niseme jambo moja mbili kabla sijawaita mawaziri wajitambulishe hapa mbele yako. Your Excellency, nataka kutoa shukrani kubwa kwa niaba ya wafanyikazi wa kaunti ya KISII. Wewe ni kama driver ambao unaendesha bus ambayo iko na 5,000 employees. Na katika hiyo bus, Your Excellency, kuna conductor. Wewe unaendesha bus, kuna conductor ambaye anawakilisha kwamba watu wanaketi, na hiyo conductor ni kama DG wako. Na katika hiyo basi yako iko na stages 10. Kuna stage ya kwanza inaitwa trade, ya pili agriculture, ya tatu revenue. Sasa katika hiyo basi, Your Excellency, conductor anasema simamisha basi, stage imefika, nauli imeisha, wanakataa. Katika barabara kuna mtu anaitwa CS ambaye kazi yake ni kuangalia kwamba wale watu wanafika katika stage yao. Sasa huko ndani kuna watu walevi kama ofisa wa serikali, kuna wengine walevi, wengine wanapiga kelele, wengine wanapiga porojo, na wewe unaendesha basi. Na huko nje uko na wananchi ambao ni 1,000,000 na zaidi. Na sasa katika wakati huo iko board wanaendelea tu kuingiza passengers ndani, County Public Service Board. Conductor anasema basi imejaa, governor anasema hii basi itaanguka, lakini wanaendelea tu kuingiza. Na CS yako hapo kuwakilisha kwamba hao watu wanawekwa huko juu, wengine wanawekwa chini ya viti, wengine kwa board. Hiyo ndio kazi ngumu ya governor ya KISII. Na wakati anarekebisha, kuna wengine wanaanza kupiga mayowe. Mimi kama CS wa KISII na mkuu wa serikali ya wafanyikazi, nataka kusema kwamba serikali ya KISII imeanza kufanya kazi. Na wakati sasa gavana anasukisha, wengine anasema hii basi itaanguka, kuna wale watapiga mayowe. Na wakianza kupiga mayowe, wananchi mnasema gavana awache kuendesha basi. Lazima aendeshe basi, lakini manake hii basi lazima aifikishe pale wananchi wako, na wananchi ndio wengi. Kwa hivyo kama mimi mfanyikazi wako, na kwa niaba wafanyikazi wote, tutashirikiana na wewe kuhakikisha kwamba hii basi imefika pahali wewe kama kiongozi na gavana wa KISII unataka hiyo basi ifike. Hiyo basi lazima ilete maji, ilete paretram, ilete kahawa na ilete vijana kazi ili waweke pesa katika mfuko yao. Kwa hayo machache, nataka sasa kuchukua nafasi hii niulize mawaziri hapa mbele kwa heshima, manake wamechaguliwa hivi. Wa mwisho aliagizwa hapo jana wajijulishe kwa wananchi, na pia nataka kutambua viongozi wa kijana hapa Emburembe. Sijui kama uko hapo. Kama uko hapo, mama ufanye mkono namna hii. Asante. Nipate nafasi hii sasa nianze na waziri wa administration, ambaye kazi yake kama waziri wa administration ni kuhakikisha kwamba serikali ya gavana wa pili wa jimbo hili la KISII linatembea. Tafadhali julishe kwa wananchi.
Your Excellency Governor wa KISII County, First Lady Mama May, wale county MCs ambao wako hapa, wale wamechaguliwa, and all protocols observed. Kwa majina naitwa Daniel Ondabu Nyakundi, in charge of administration. Your Excellency, there's only one thing I want to remind you. When you were here last, tulikuwa tunakanyagana, na unakumbuka kwa nini tulikuwa tunakanyagana? Kwa ajili tulitaka uchaguliwe na ukachaguliwa. Hii ingine ambao imesemekana utaifuata, utakufuata mpaka mwisho ili tumalize hii kazi vizuri, tufanye hii kazi ambao umetupatia. Asanteni kwa hayo.
Your Excellency, my names are Dr. Margaret Ubaga. Ninasimamia kitengo cha agriculture, cha livestock, cha cooperatives na irrigation. Nindino moko sana kwa bagaiga ibacho tuga launch seedlings cha amaua guspaireto bantu baminto agriculture nero oxygen yense ya ito ya Kisii County tugwaterane tokore gasi abantu baintu batonyore gasi na mali ingie kwenye nyumba zetu. Mbarikiwe sana.
Your Excellencies, the Governor and the First Lady, no protocols observed. Njasa Marieta, Eric Mienda, only in charge of sports, youth, gender, culture and other social services. Ase county ya Kisii, aende ntoretayare kwa korregasi. Very soon, moja ya korra matokeo yega asiumu governor ito ukabero Kisii County, Paul Simba Arati. Biamono.
Asante. Kwa majina ni Elijah Okemwa Obuori. Mimi ndio CEC wa education na ninashukuru gavana wetu Bwana Simba Arati kwa kunichagua. Niko na experience ya upande wa education. Sasa ninahitaji ile kazi amenipatia imeanza. So for wale wenyeji wa hapa abantu baminto chiyutu polytechnic njirororo chirega ntoka netie aba ntobachora bali bako abana bakolire skuru bache basome ntoje tojirosie chibe chingia naboigo n'abana bali abake mubarente skuru eri bakoroka ngachekechea biamono.
Kwa majina naitwa Dr. Ndemo, natoka Bugitutu na mimi ni waziri wa biashara na viwanda. Asante.
Your Excellency, First Lady, na wakwani ni mwenzi Mbiamole. Kwa majina naitwa Grace Nyarango, nasimamia ardhi. Asanteni.
Abantu baibe no Mbiamole. Your Excellency and the First Lady, nchenkoro kwa Ronald Nyakweba, waziri wa mache. Mbiamono moseseniwe.
Your Excellency, Governor, the First Lady, Abaishimiwa Mwanzi Mwaikira, na the medical staff led by our CS Lea, na abantu baminto baibe no Mbiamole. Jesa maleta ngoro Cyrus Masenge Nyabicha, ndenreta mangana yeji para no bwagachi. Buyamano.
Your Excellency the Governor, our First Lady, Madam May, members of the County Assembly, all protocol observed. Asamareta nkoro kunyamwange Nancy, inche conduct elimwe go ichori bus yanya go ichori. Batinto joto nyinyo ichori ngora. Tokotanga no entry. With me, Your Excellency, I have two members of my board. I have the Vice Chair to the board, Commissioner Bogogonko Jackson, and Commissioner Judy Omare. Your Excellency, very fast. Mbuya mona so wocha. Iga story ninka ncheno munyaribari. Mbuya mona so wocha First Lady. First Lady, welcome to Nyaribari. When it comes to socio-cultural issues, mostly in the society, they affect the female gender. Because at the end of the day, the cornerstone lies with the women. Thank you for coming. You have seen the many women groups that we have. And even if I speak in KISII, my First Lady, I know you understand the KISII. Abangina baachire, ebiyombe biachire gaiga, mbiyamona sogocha, watoro kiringa noto guato koboko, na indoto sokonya samanganaya, no ina samanganaya umunyamoreo. Mbiyamona Your Excellency and the First Lady. Thank you.
Okay. Your Excellency, the Governor, the First Lady May, all protocols observed. Good afternoon. Mbiamono, our Governor, I just want to take the first opportunity to say that thank you, Your Excellency, because you have made this day to be the day that we were longing for. We can't take it for granted that you have come. It is a great honor. I can say to the health department, because it's not usual, you are engaged with so many activities, and even in fact by yesterday, we were not sure even whether you could make it. And that is why you even assigned us to be able to ensure that the drugs have been distributed, the launch has been done and distribution starts. And I want to assure you that it was done and it has been done, and you will be able to see it in the various facilities, and even the MCAs were there, they are there receiving, and that's why most of them are not here. So thank you. Before I leave, I know the time is not with us. I want to request that I recognize one of our officers, Dr. Mogeni from National Syndemic Disease Control, who is with us. I know there's no time, but since you have come and you are representing Ruth Laiboni, who is the CEO of the board, please let me recognize you. Stand, come forward, and please wave. Or you are here already.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency, the First Lady, the County Commissioner, the ministers, the MCAs, all county officials, community leaders, ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed, without forgetting Yavana, Abasaya, Bantawanene Wensi. Good afternoon. Wairire Buya. I'm here as a messenger passing a message from the board and the CEO of the National AIDS Control Council, currently named as National Syndemic Diseases Control Council. Ladies and gentlemen, the commemoration of the World AIDS Day is an important event set aside to remember those people who have lost their lives through AIDS. And we unite with them to support these people living and are affected by the HIV. We are deeply humbled to have you grace this occasion. This actually demonstrates the commitment to our country's objective of ending AIDS as a public threat by 2030. Your Excellency, and ladies and gentlemen, we must acknowledge that in the past year has been challenging for many. The globe has witnessed transition and shifts, especially those attributed to COVID-19 pandemic and its response, political upheaval, the disruption in the global money markets that have destabilized many economies, including ours and including KISII County. The devastation and reported across the globe from climate and the cost of living crisis, which have compromised many health by reducing access to essential services while increasing risks and vulnerabilities of the people living with HIV and AIDS. Ladies and gentlemen, over the past 20-40 years, we have made strong strides towards eliminating HIV in Kenya. In 2021, unfortunately, globally, a life was lost to AIDS every minute in Kenya. And in Kenya, that actually translated to 3 lives lost in an hour. That statistics, KISII County is included. If this situation is not managed, we will lose it. But you, me, and all of us, putting our efforts together, we can actually eliminate HIV and AIDS. Ladies and gentlemen, I am aware we do not have a lot of time, and I want to conclude by saying this. The management and control of HIV is very expensive. We are aware that the resources have been dwindling globally, including in the KISII County,
And that is why, Your Excellency, we are asking the County of KISII to continually partner with us, to continually partner with all stakeholders who are who are supporting the mandate of eliminating HIV/AIDS. We ask you, Your Excellency, to kindly, in a special way, consider allocating resources and more resources, because I am aware you have already allocated resources. I kindly ask you, Your Excellency, to continue allocating more resources, add more resources to this. And as I conclude, bantu baminto teno mwana inoga nona kinirete KISII County ekero narengo mwanafunzi ebinto mbere twagasome wuti campaign byakarokiru ABC: abstain, be faithful and use a condom. Nima ete binte bingi byakwanirwa amangana amange twasomego ntengala ubnankokora nkwanera mangana ya tatu abana toteme abstain. Sex is sweet, but it's sweeter kerore in marriage. Abana be school to focus asama somo nande kero ya happening kwa bere muri totara akora eyutari ero mwerio bwa hamasomo abayibori baito mama na tata umwana ubere muri tekerare school tigato mopushe ande kunyomu onyoro mugaka tigo mwana agonki umwana mitinyire takeire agendere school kingo korera ekerebe terreting arenda abana bamintaba ke nonya nto abstain diejo tia twaro partner obe faithful nere nanate mangana manga akwane iruga lakini ABC tara akwaneru be faithful no mwancho yomo ekerebe terreting to abstain kaba faithful no mwancho yomo na ekerobi asambire kabisa tumie condom kamoranje tumie condom ekerobi asambire kabisa takirenda abana baketogo tanga maganaya awansa mono ekero kwanyomiru nekero wakore skuru. Asante sana, Your Excellency. Thank you, the ministers. Thank you for creating time to come. And before I sit down, receive greetings from the National Syndemic Diseases Control Council, the board, and the CEO. They have sent me greetings, and I hope I take the greetings back. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, and God bless you.
Oh, thank you, Our Excellency. The good thing with you is that you are so human. I saw so many choirs here, and because of the time limitations, we agreed that uskize tu. Then as you skized, you felt like, no, let me give time to them, and they have expressed themselves. Actually, for Mary, you've really toned down and you have listened to her, and yet you are constrained with time. Thank you, Your Excellency. One thing I just wanted to say, I didn't want it to just pass, is that although Mary has already alluded to it, HIV, malaria program, and even family planning programs, those are programs that are normally donor funded. And as a county, we have not been able to allocate resources for the same, because at times we lack the commodities, especially like now family planning we don't have, because we are depending on the donor funding. At times HIV kits we miss. Mothers come to the clinic and we are not able to give them the services they require. We have already mobilized them. We tell them come to the clinic, and when they come and we don't give them a service, we don't feel good. So kindly, Our Excellency the Governor, those are some of the programs that we look into so that we can allocate resources for the same. And to the wananchi, kindly we are tumeangalianga mnatokorora abantu ngocha muri nyagitarie lakini twanyora abangeri mwanyorire services kwanyora ngantu liko nyara gwakana NHIF nero kamuranje kiro muntu tigaswe scheme ya NHIF na rina inumo gokonya nyagitari chite kyagera level 4 gochigoro ngwakana tole na ritoranyore bintu binde twanyora bitande bitamba no tiwese chichikoru Bona karumu taliko na ene chae mwanya waranga muri ko nyara korwa odo abagabana n'umuya nabago teba na rende tigamba konya but tutaendelea kuwa maskini tigatokora umukina intu kera sinyebi kwa manya gototereri go kamuranje igo nande gento kende sorry our excellence, this one something that I want to say that abangina baita abange buna tokorigereria aba statistics bakure ese ngina kereri ryago tikonyoro umwana olitari konyara gotirimboka esababu neringa egento nkero giatanga mono mana karato kora uchunguzi tunapata ya kwamba umwana na bakonyora ari size ndongera kini umwana oriore konyoro umwana obolito onyoriro bolite miaka inse ya 18 abange babo maugabo tarakina tari konyara gwako modeti umwana ori bono umwana ori osinyo tirimboka twanyorege ntugokoro ko obstructed labor se ito gusiga iga ekine kigetanga ina karo toko gane ti meeting twanyora nga busini ntuto tanga ine for that kakino bosoku ege ntogeko kogera twanyorire nkeringa teenage pregnancy eito gokwanerero kamuranje tigatwetange korwora narorire chinsa chinga kitiaerire ekina kiyo katogo chikorigereri. Our excellence governor will help us in allocating resources for donor funded programs. Thank you.
Your Excellency, kabla sijaita mwakilishi wa County Commissioner kuongea, waacha niite viongozi wa bunge letu, leader of majority. Nimeona pia Deputy Speaker ako hapa na pia nimeona viongozi wa zamani wa MCA Kinapoko amefika karibu. So leader of majority tafadhali, alafu leader of majority akija, sub county officers tafadhali simama and salute. Sub county officers salute, thank you. Ward officers, thank you. Directors tafadhali ambao mko hapa, directors wa serikali ya KISII, asanti sana kwa kufika. Nimeona ma directors wote mko hapa. Leader of majority tafadhali waambie speaker pia tusalamie.
Your Excellency the Governor, all protocol served, asanti sana. Kwa majina naitwa Moracha Henry, mjumbe mteule wa Basi Central. Basi Central ni hapa tu Matieri Moina. Tigangire bageri ke nsikabana na bakemba kwani mbiyamure nande ntara kwana abayishimiwa mbale twacha na barabu babasi bikiristo kurwa mariogo. Your Excellency na kitwanyo riro twabere mariogo twari kurwari gwato eta assignment lakini twakora abayishimiwa bali babasi especially bali mwe karibu 1 minute tafadhali aliyetarioka konyora abayishimiwa bakwanire. Deputy Speaker,
abantu ba Kristo bakana bakwana bairebuya njengoro kujakobo noyo bagaka kuru Masike West omujumbe Masike West nande Deputy Speaker ya KISII County amangana ya HIV wekatomutamere nyasaye munanje na banchoro mokembo atomongno yo mumu wanjan tigara herabueka bago chikoba bachikongita basi bana tigantigara aguna ino mokorebo oyo moyo mo na ndaba faithful. Thank you.
Asante sana. 1 minute tafadhali.
Your Excellency Governor ya KISII Mcheni Ibrahim Machuki, MCA Pasi Bogetaulio, kwa niaba ya bantu babo Bogetaulio tigante ngambo ya manasa maliogo toera ji nyagitali bantu bago kamono baiririata na banya kusingerera nga SAG yokurwani HIV/AIDS agende mna ya chakire kurwana ende kanyo yararaliri buyama.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Nkoba.
Jeno Mheshimiwa Nkoba Naftali Nyacheki ward ya Igabubasi na nchina chirego jumuika pamoja na awa kusiiwensi asoko ukoliragalitu keliri ya HIV igotoko tebanga tuzuie maambukizi mapya, alafu yale yamekuwepo watu wapate matibabu na waendelee kuishi sawa sawa. Your Excellency, nimanyetenga you have health at heart. Obeke a budget yesaine kabisa na ntukubwatisi abananchi ba KISII County banyore the best in medical services. Thank you.
Mheshimiwa Masike, where is
Biyamano, Your Excellency and the First Lady, all protocol observed.
My name is Michael Motume, MCM Asige East, in Sanyamache. Panto mami ntosoma miri. Tuasoma migu. Tuate bigu toljege tamta muge kume kirego se keigo ire. Kume kirego se keigo ire. Iga kari keigo ire no ande koru rambi. Erende mbuya mona. Thank you.
Mbuya mona, Your Excellency to sarichingaki. Abantu bami ngutika tuerende. Uri mogono ke nyasaye ne roborune. Nanda banyagita ari mutige bintu birimo no gaiga na abantu barerende.
Asante. Tafadhali Your Excellency ni muite Bwana Kalama, mwakilishi wa serikali kuu tafadhali. Alafu kutoka hapo waziri wa afya utamleta gavana.
Asante sana Bwana Lumumba, gavana mstahiki wa jimbo la Kisii, Bwana Paul Simba Arati, mama wetu wa kaunti, viongozi mbalimbali kutoka kwa serikali ya kaunti na serikali kuu na wananchi wa Ibeno, hamjambo. Kwa majina naitwa Kalama, mwakilishi wa County Commissioner. Ninataka kuchukua nafasi hii kwa muda mfupi sana kwa sababu ya muda. Ninashukuru sana kwa sote kuwa tuko hapa. Tuangalie vizuri takwimu zetu. Maambukizi inaonyesha bado tuko na kazi ambayo tunatakana kufanya kama washikadau wote. Vile vile nataka kusema kama ofisi ya County Commissioner nataka kusema kuwa bado kama washikadau wakuu katika hili janga la kueneza ugonjwa wa ukimwi bado tutaendelea kushirikiana. Nataka kuhimiza viongozi wetu wa mashinani, machief, manaibu wa machief, tuache ile tabia ya kufanya ile maneno ya kangaruko tuko chini, ndio tuhakikishe kuwa tutapunguza ama tumalize kabisa. Kwa sababu sisi tukiwa washikadau muhimu pale mashinani, lazima tufanye wajibu na jukumu ya serikali imetupatia. Mwisho kabisa nataka kusema watoto wetu wamemaliza mtihani wa darasa la 8, tuko nao. Tuko na holiday ya miezi 2. Wazazi, viongozi, washikadau wote, bado tushikane mikono, tuhakikishe kuwa tutawaweka watoto wetu kwa miundo misingi ambayo ni bora zaidi. Kabla sijakaa, ningetaka kutambua mwenzangu ambaye ni kamishna msaidizi wa tarafa ya Keumbu, Bwana Washira. Salute to the governor, alafu ukae. Alafu pia ningependa kutambua machifu wetu na manaibu wa machifu wa hii wodi yetu ya Keumbu. Mahali mko msimame na msalute, mkae chini kwa heshima ya gavana wetu. So kwa hayo machache, Bwana Gavana, asante sana kwa kuhakikisha kuwa umekuwa na sisi kwa hafla ya leo. Asante sana.
Thank you, Our Excellency the Governor. I want to welcome now Our Excellency the Governor. But before that, na inyoranga timba tebeti elieta. Na bate biboli. Esa marieta nkoroku Lea Ogega Eliaga Tibugali ninche Minister ya Health. Nima etena bagene tole. Morato manya ande abange no bacha ngati turaenda kororo mu Minister wa Health kiagera nima ete for our governor munamujua ikiagera ni nomwa mwagera chikura chibichanchi arengo all over munamujua. So I want to take this slightest opportunity to welcome Our Excellency the Governor akuje atuongeleshe, and before that watu wasimame na tuweze kumpatia makofi ya kilo. Hebu tuanze 1 2 3 kabisa, hiyo itakuwa mzuri. Hebu tuanze 1 2 3 ingine. Karibu.
Asante waziri. Tuketi tafadhali. Nitakuwa mfupi sana. Nataka niulize wale wamesimama hapa kwa sababu wala nataka kusikia, nataka kuniona mpaka kwa hapa. Tafadhali, kama wewe si mpiga picha, wewe si mtu wa TV, tafadhali songa. Songa wale wengine kule waniona. Huyu jamaa mrefu na kujua nyinyi, songa hapa. Tusonge tu. Nataka wale wa kule tuonane na wao. abantu baminto mbiyamule abanyari bali mbiyamule. Nataka kwanza nilete, kabla sijawasalimia, nilitembea na mke wangu, si mnamjua? Tulikuwa na yeye hapa. Hiyo uwanja ulikuwa umejaa, wacha leo. Siku hiyo ulikuwa umejaa mpaka kule. Mtu hata angeweza kutupa mawe ifike. Nataka kwamba kuja mchuga. What's another one going to see? Digama Koan, say hi. You can use this one. Okay, yeah.
Mintone enviamole. Enviamole naende. Enviamole na sasa sisi.
Okay. Hey. Haya, hapo ni sawa. Kwanza pia nataka nilete apology za Mheshimiwa Deputy Governor ambaye ako na graduation ya mtoto wake kule Nairobi. Alisafiri leo asubuhi kuelekea Nairobi. Hakuweza kuwa pamoja na sisi. Alisafiri. Osemuma yetu Mheshimiwa Monda, Deputy Governor. Yani mwaka Mulisia, mwaka Mokongo. Lera agenda Nairobi graduation njare ngorro. Yo mwana we mbono mambia soka kurwa. Etwale ngenere mpaka sasta ya butuko. Dali arubuone. Ntegete na endeli ya kabero umongina women rep. Umongina Doris Donya toto. Nere obakwanire lakini ya kali sports ya South Sudan. Kwera na balira kino batebuna bunge. Enataka ingireliva geli lya bene mba kirembye mshimya poko ni nkoroje. Bwana akorobia mono karibu. You'll allow me to say a few things in KISII, then I read the statement which has been prepared by my people on the many things that I've done. Again, I want to appreciate that lady. Yeah, this lady spoke very well. Baba mbiyamono, this is good. Oh no, this is the materials abangina bali abana abaiseke bakire skuru babo kuona baso migendo kiek a community taribo. Thank you Baba, and pass our greetings to your boss. Mondo yomo tambo cha no nyali bali koroku mrefu oyone webu ada mwalenge mara kabiri yae. Mheshimiwa mrefu karibu. Litangani abantu baminto ntayitemba kire imbiya mono. Omukutano twakolete bo mweli oga egetiek ntwarenge kororonde mpako mwelio tokaruga iga saa 3 yabo tuko bosa naberego tayitemba kire mbiya mono munga eneti mukanga kire kura ya ino ya enyinge mbiya mono nyasaye abaseseni naende bene ntegetengireri bageri ngakire abarai baminto abayishimiwa aba MCA nima nabayetega bigoro mwagenda ko yo abande ayikire nyagitari enare ngenjira naye kali kiyogoro nanyole gali ya mugete nene para konyo nanyetire narengere ligali elikire GK ayatali amalyoge bwa ngakite nene para konyo atwetire ate abantu bane irana twairana iga twekesigali ate nimekumba ukuguruna kwapo chokete nanyo na abantu bane barenge koirama amaliogo alia Kenyenya. Therefore, I'm happy that amaliogo alia ikire kinyagitari ekimaene kia mangana nkelina ki amaliogo ali amaliogo ya enkoni wese kichinyinge naende kurunga ayogo tene nikoni amaliogo ali chisi nyinge gaki mwanje kisegi chimbwe ko batebinda mangana agaiga mwigwe itangani tuatebu nga abstain nga onye tu kunyara tu nga onye kuro muntu omuya mubero yole abana bake mu basako kora obwanchani mpaka chinga kichinu kyakoreki kyeikire kabere ngitwadeba condom neyo mwelio ya faithful ne ya gatatu ya kabere abstain tigana na obwanchani obunobuya lakini abana bake tari bye bantabake ibya bantabane batagete korosie family kabo mwegenwa kero kwa bero mwegenwa nabo ikonyarekana omenye na endorole obnene bwanyasaye lakini abande gaiga okora mukomo nta isbetibuya banza gotona ama ndende chikuiteka kirasi abantu bamito nonye gutete naye mukago kwa morabia musibi wose na berego naye kwa morra binte korukorunye yes nyasa tongetense no bikoreke no bi nande mbiri ko era naintu manyanga gusi ni ntu totanga inoso ngana yobu tumanya abantu bandi mura abana bake aga gusi no bakonyoro bulito tutangaine chief and I'm happy Mr. Karama said it chiefs gaki tigama ngana yechikangaru courts aba chief ndoiwana amuntu nyokorera magoso tigagenda arare tigara asibwe esenje gotumonga abana abake gakyo so wanje kweno abantu baito geta kunge ko bororo abasubati mwaro aga abangina bachuga aba waziri bana nchuga aba sana mungu senge njo kwangu kuana abanabangina basomete oye na murusi no munyali bali inoga na murusi East Africa sa okolegas ya matuka mange omungu no ne reverend na murusi mungu na amaite kolika mpaka ge German akosoma akolika mpaka proposal monjali omungu noyo no munyagitali korubo machoge abangi nabaye nkomocha nibanyora abana bali emyaka 10 kangambara mungoyo ababanga mama shares abana baye banda ngaine egento nkelinga ki abantu bamintu gakiba tacha mura na baiseke bagende skuru basome nalika tunanyole no ena waziri abanene bese mutako muswatu nate ntu kunyara kugendera nigesaku ayo mwana omubwate nyomba otagetenga kanyo roboto ya ntu okonyora gesaku baba isaransa acha ritali arabiek nar muswati onda oyo county board injuga osemurale ngali muswati ono mwana omuke oyo nere chairperson ya service board nero teneta abantu bonsi pi be county bakuli ayengo mochane oro omwana kale emyaka 10 kangana lechia talinje namuligete abantu mara ono muswati omonene obwata abana baya bane igoga aki isaransa baba ga intagitemba saba abantu baminto ngencho teyo turagendere negesaku onye togendrete n'obuchara obusinini ebinyoroma higa aba muraba itu bepigi nto yugwana ina barabu nga onye kurucho mwana we school ras morale nere esenge nje uniform sonira mukawe uniform bose nabo kwa morobu mwana we school nende kwa wako acha yao lazima toike karato bate banike maene tarivo ndogo itegesa kwesenge njeta mari omuberensi nini egesa kuhito lazima kebe moyo naende ngokwana tole ne chief ngokwana tole na abaito abeki bonse mtetemba tebi toranga kitoko nyegesa kuhito munganchire nkwanek umweshimiwa deputy governor igorona warengega iga egento twa promise ti abanyari bari bayengusme kama uga igoron twe embegu ya 140 kgs talikiro monto chinasari cyabegetwe nasari nero nategwere maika gusina sigetega nalia police moina nechebe abantu banze usumeka amawuga ayo ekiro ntubwate abantu baitu banywa kibesa bayirira abana esukuru iyo ndugi yakabere NHIF nja kuanwa NHIF ntaitembuli uso wanje kwenu the NHIF onye toru waleti karwae NHIF ine sadaka kwa rune kanisa kago korwara na muntu ndenero utakara waleti na bokonyo rulire sadaki eyo egokonye munganchire nsome egento kere igaiga keiga abantu bali ba CHV community health workers ntagete ko babolinga kinate bankube kandi kibesa nke supplementary na abekire at least na inwe munyorege ntogeke mubuchira nyumba aba MC na wala basabwete supplementary ye wiki ego chonye yabe tayari abangina bali bayikire myaka 65 go chigoro nabagaka na promise tia mangana NHIF e county neche yakanire bali batali kwenyara pi ebinyoro e basari chibesa ntu abeka ase supplementary nyasaye kawanje wiki egocha aba MC engwete bale eliyo abana bagende school nganchere nsome sengencho wewe songeza hiki kitu juu naona kwamba na nyekyo muno igoroga igesinda hapo sawa nganchere ntebe ebintu bike esegesongo esengencho yabantu tole na barabo the representative of the county commissioner, the members of the county assembly, members of the county executive present, distinguished guests. It is my pleasure today to officiate over this event. Allow me to state munganchire tokuwa negenteke nga how are we saying it? When I'm saying high, mnasema equalize. Toi wana ne karongo bakwa nembia mole motenga kotokoreki equalize. Mbia mole equalize. I believe this year's theme is to call upon us to end the inequality that impede access to HIV prevention, care and treatment services. The global community has set aside December 1st each year for us to pause and reflect and renew our commitment to end HIV and AIDS as a public health threat. It's a day when we remember those who have lost their lives through AIDS-related illness, educate the public on issues of concern while showing support to prevent the living with HIV. Since the first case of HIV reported in Kenya in 1984, we have lost more than 2 million people to AIDS-related deaths. Abantu aminto abantu chimilioni bere koru okimi yachete bakule Kenya yaito. This is why I agree with the call for the Kenya to eliminate the treble threat of new HIV infection, teenager pregnancies, and gender-based violence. You will agree with me that these threats are alive in KISII County, but I'm confident we can address this inequality that perpetuates HIV and AIDS. I note with concern the women are most affected by these diseases, where preferences among women is 5.5%, while in men is 2.9%. Abangina baminto n'abasubati inga oburwaire obwo bwafecteti abangina n'abasubati abaka abange ku bw'abasajja igo negento tubwente korengereria mono mwarura abana bali bacha the two onye kwa aya mosenjuga come no the other gentleman Momroyo is HIV positive, isn't it? Nakwanaga. Aranyoro musubati onde mwenzi tawo kwega. No ngana HIV. Ipo zima. Thank you, bro, and I'll support your cause. Yani ono musubati onde naro nero ibule tunere boyo. Talinga ya nyolete. Ai ibule tune nero, but it's brave enough. Kate. Injuga baba oyo mumroje tako wa musuko and ma biratai onya dori faithful ngatiga na bwate chisomoni tako buroi lakini oyo nairendete. Thank you. That was great. The situation is compounded by gender-based violence, stigma, discrimination, teenage pregnancies, and lack of access to quality testing services. If we are not careful, this disease will wipe an entire generation of girls and women. No, any such. If we are not careful, abana baitu, abasubati baitu, muliko chakonyora abantu muko nyoma onye togendrete no bukayayu bokonya kobeka oburwairo ekiagera percentage yerego amatukama ke muliko chikonyona n'abantu muko nyoma. We'll get a society abasacha barabange kubwa ngende keke alafu onyolensi ya onjukire ya bere Sodom na Gomora enyolege sakunyasa ogechi ya sirire igo negento tubwenete twins tobe amob negesaku torosi busi yaito na Kenya yaito. To realize to eliminate AIDS by 2030, we need to promote prompt action to end this. I've cited the starting from our own county. In KISII, the HIV prevalence is currently 4.7%, meaning in every 100 people, about 5 are infected. We have a total of 37,090 living with the HIV virus in abantu gaiga 4.7 igasa abantu emia abantu batano mbakoleteki mbabwate ntobwata abantu barwarite bona iga KISII county 39,099 abangina bamintu nabagaga barwarite bale bamenyete n'oburwaire. However, I must commend the health team for their effort in reducing the HIV prevalence rate from 8.9% a year ago to 4.7% currently. I thank the international community for their support that has made HIV treatment, prevention, and the care available to everyone, not just the rich. Notable with the support from our implementing partners, you saw them here, we now offer free HIV testing services in all health facilities, and each year we carry out around 100,000. Igabantu aminto onye wotegete go chekigwa amangana HIV genda nyagitari mbosa ogo chekigwa naliora amanyenga kyo bubwate oiwa malio mapima torwara toiwana ine mbiamuno. We also offer prevention of mother-to-child transmission for expectant mothers. In all facilities, you have seen transmission reduced to 8.7%, down from 17% a year ago. We now have 37,306 patients on treatment, where 33,904 are virally suppressed. In KISII municipal, we have 2 drop-in center and integrated services in the sub-counties, 7 places where clients receive preventive and treatment services. Ladies and gentlemen, the war is far from won. Ladies and gentlemen, the war is far from over. We need to do more to address this inequality, including deliberated knowing our HIV status through testing, keeping our girls in school, eradicating drugs and substance abuse, eliminating kangaroo courts in the village, improving access to anti-travel drugs, improve access, ensure our mothers attend antenatal clinic, among others. I appreciate the role played by the national government administration in addressing these challenges, and we wish to upscale this effort. Ladies and gentlemen, before I conclude, I would like to put out some more of measures we have put in place as a county government to improve service delivery to our people. Montegerere gaiga, ebintu biketua korere asama tukaya tuabeliro biskaliwemia. You are aware that we have digitized our drug distribution system and involved MCAs in monitoring processes to ensure drugs reach all facilities. I'm impressed with the results so far and look forward to further improvement when we distribute the new consignment which we have paid money for to KEMSA. Amario wants to make sure a system reach atirimbo kagochi sub-county mpake dispensary onye goko egwelio amario gota kubura to basa kubugoli mario go mange kuru nyagitari monda okolika ngagina ya Simba genda naro mario gota yarane motebya mario go ntagete no yokonyuka amario gaya oliyo ndibwensi okiri nyagitari ngocha kugwakira tulesi tumanyeke maene nguwa chite nyagitari gusaba ndabe barusiria mariogo baoni gogo kwenda nyagitari make sure esimi yawe yakorek yariki nalitukunyara go follow up oseliogo lyekiro sole. At KISII Teaching and Referral Hospital, we are working around the clock to operationalize the doctor's plaza to ensure medical specialists are readily available and generate. Igenteke monkere ntayitemba tembe. Nintagete ndusi abanyagitari mbwata abanyagitari bakora specialist. Bare 65. Nintagete bagendekere sub count. Onye no munyagitari okorwa gynecologist ego checking akiu mwana araire. Gosomwa gosen umuntu oirira mario gamaya. Etutagetonya gabo chebe no gaiga. Mambi atoke nyamache. Mbatoka alibosongoka. Ntwewana ine. Igonko tangasira tuli wetra ba MCA baino. Indio munyagitari onye no bwa abana. Baino bwa abana bikuri abana ndro bakorekana. Ekiagira abantu ababonse na inche kindoro niri mukonga kana umushahara. Na inche no mukoye gasi wino. Mogo nte Simba charuka engo charuka tindiko babolinga kingo charuka ngike. Mogo nte Simba isaranza engo isaranza. Lakini bali bakondama mwanje gake abantu abayende kondama. Manyabono bayibeka niramu. Kurwani tole nyombe. Omuntu konyororo
ogotibonga basubati baba okoena na amarwai otebi ugenda
bona abantu bonjo kanire senginje kibesa nawo Simba kaki kurubandama kuruliri nko koreka imba wanja ngana abere gaba moko bate boyo manya mpaka aba MCA bandi bataraki abana abaki nga bataite bacho mukutano barusi chianga batebe intuna abantu ba UDA inje timbu ati tofauti na UDA gose ekiama kelikende ngekuru ODM abantu bonsi bali bangakete kura na bali batangakete n'abantu bane chikura na akeretwe na akeretwe kuri umunyali bari mugetutu mugirango mubasi mu machogo mu nchari chikura 1270 chintangane wako abantu bayegenete esenge nchobura ndareta bona baonjokire esenge ncha abandi batagetemba ya chibesa nkorusi chibesa cyabana nchi ne county ekwaora nara nkorusi besa ninche mbarange nabo nkuru kigali cyonse tumira nerera mbatebi inkikagendreta obotyo kuboleta onigali ebole igorobobe lazima mbukole ndaba tevinga kiti gali oli mbukole nyene emyaka 5 yoka mbe 5 lakini ngokole gas nyamoko ngene yende 5 nkole pingwa kangu kolanya abantu bami tonide tayari maraika takuru igoro lazima toba maraika chinga kicheito na litora bekegesa kugeto kebe moyo igo nganchirenge ndo mato moiko yombwata ekyara bandamire lakini nyasaye nomya ama tukons monganchire ntebega. We have also prioritized operationalization of the mother and the child hospital with the support of our development partners. Already Kenya Commercial Bank has pledged equipments worth 12 million. Mbata itotoachi equipment chibuati chi milioni 12 tobe kese enyombere kurukumatha child hospital at KTRH. Here in Nyaribari chache we shall invest in Kiumbu sub-county hospital. Ikobeka tole chibere. Abantu baito bagende kera barwaligwa. na inu mwombera abasikali bane gokwenda konyamalio bataiyo tebo MCA muboli MCA amboli mboli omu minister teko baboiro bono nimaete at Nyamanengo dispensary. I'm aware that we're only having one nurse. I have directed the KISII help to post an additional nurse immediately. Igo the nurse ende moire Nyamanengo ekero olio ndarwari olio ndo otigara ka okonya abantu, and make sure that you otokirororo, and you must report that one by Monday baba. This week, a week here, I was installed as the Kenya Road Cross patron for KISII County. Working with them, Abantu Red Cross, we have agreed, we are working with them, and we shall eradicate all the giga menace to where chinda tuchikole chinda njiemeji na bantu mbata itukuwana, lakini we have agreed through the Red Cross na mukanega kuambuka osemukane twawana nena baramunga ki nkubeka turikibesa ku Red Cross na intwe tunyare kukura mangana y'ichinda gakinto komenya bona ngana y'ichinda tugukwana abantu bamenye tenka batari kwenda school abana abangina yaya ngotema tole Nyasaye kawanje se myaka 5 10 lazima tukora namangana y'ichinda igaiga ngokorande munganchere. In the area of energy, we are in top partner to install solar energies plants in public facilities across the county within the next financial year. This will help cut power of our green energy operation. Abantu bamintu kinyaktadi ma testima nkonyorole teyo, lakini twaiwananire na abantu baitu bataita gotokonya torego sento be kichi solar asa kinyagitari ejo na inywe mo baba skali bantu bayimuka bagikoyi bachi solar na lya abantu bararwari uno embotuko mo wanja boy bona akyonye bolere tunya gosenya gitari goseninga mo wanja abana baitu bayibolirwa sagi On environment, we are decommissioning Nyambera dam site that has been an ASO to create a beautiful people's park for recreation. I urge our people to comply with the directives given by the county government and an alternative waste management plan to ensure success of this. Muma etobo chao bole busonga aliboko ku Nyambera. Mogendo romolega snege ndretebon. Ntokobo rustore nkoro wastore asege timu na agaiga tosumeke mete mundu kaligiriye gasi ya mubulire town y'abasaye baino na bakwenda batumuka barandiri bwororo baonchoka baranya balete Nyasaye town talibo totoleke tokorenge torenga kigasi ekoleka igo Nyambera Nyasaye kawanti nande metinye tato twatebire bochabo bonse ko rusubol tubeka maraboro tusumeke obonyansi tusumeke mete na ikogo soye town koma ya wasoire town kosebona manye togendrete gasi abantu bande bataitenga kisimba nkiatagete tomwendagire obuchabuliari lazima toborusio mwate ba macho mundu naro kwana ngare ne minisa ya macho obo atebu macho takortiki taiyo tigan basomrege nteke what you have done amaje konyora oboibore egente gekorku wasko ekambani lya maji bwarenge igoro bube lakini tuwakira Nyasaye mbiamono na chororo na abekire kegento a discipline esenge je tu abekire discipline igorok mo waziri oli ayarenge Kisumu ekrate ngansimbo teneneret abasonge batete with Simba. We allow you to have the 30 million for our match. Ntuntoli wose kana bantu baibi ya gakimwancha abayi bagendre gotora abayi bakorire obutaka bw'ekyoremeji obuyi bwenge gari esa match bwere ntagite mbateriga. In water service, we are working tirelessly to position the KISII Water and Sanitation Company as a prime water service provider in the region. We recently received 250 million for water reticulation in the periphery of the urban areas. Igon to anyora 250 million. Manyanga abantu abe baenkuiba chi 90 million chioka libakunya kuumana chi bilioni ibere chigacha bakanyora nkuumana bale chibese chikarusi woro chikairu kiricho water and sanitation. Lakini amomana inanya kolete na kimpaka abangwana bakuru byamani banjira niteko to 200 again 250 million asama ngana yo cross ya match yonya sai ka wanja ibinoga igana gatawo no match araite nemechi ya ino mo wanja boyo wake for our brothers border sector, we have embarked on a registration of a saving and credit cooperative society tailored for their unclear need so far. Last week, we raised around 7 million, where I gave 3 million. The President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto, gave 2 million. Again, I want to repeat, the President gave us 2 million. Abantu aminto, we give it here. Boda, na tebete ba kuliera gento kiek, eke kokoro. Naenda, I mean that business. I went to the President gave me 2 million. Na agenda say President, tukakuwa na nere, nkomo tenga, nkoenda ande kolonchi, sako ya boda. Kaunta Simba na chwe saringa, nkoe million ya mwenenga ya, na yo mwene wenzi. Mente million ende, akamenda chikaba ibere. Nkabeka 90 na abantu wa boda na baroba kasangiri kuseni satu. Bono iga eto igol tepo esako ebwate 8 million. Tuiwana na barobu ngakibao kora chibese echo bagender. Abangwana abesako yabo ninche na mbeyemo. And I'm making sure there's a terikoruime. Inche nkoro authority. Igabana wa minto wa boda biashuan. Mosolio lazima tonyolire kekokoro. Lazima. In agriculture, we have embarked on a revival of Barethram. What I've said, what my deputy did yesterday here. And this one, actually, we are giving seedlings to Nyaribari constituents. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I'm aware that our people are eager to see development projects. The expectation is so high and likely to be cause we pledge to transform this country. However, I assure officers, over 2 months ago, I inherited a county with a high wage bill, huge pending bills, and remitted structurally deductions, about 300 million. Abantu wa mintena Asoi County, inkanyore deni ere 1.3 billion. Ejikando, chibe sanchiri chiriba kona cha NHIF, chisako, chire over 300 million. Ntura akora project ende yons. Ama deni aina anaka na akanire NHIF 100 million. Nga akana deductions 180 million. Chisako around 200 million. Igo enuswe billion. No wakane bintaba antaba wente wakana batakana. Lakini nyasaye nomya. Ngokora tona na madeni haya. Chipara chilitoa kuwana. Nyasaye kawancha wiki gocha tuatebire. Obokora bali mete chipara. Bawate bali mete para ege tuno igora. To chikolie para twanya atakora diki teyo. Lakini no erebe kirenga milioni 3. Twabira abantu aba. No bali mobwata amabira. Mutage twabira abantu. Abantu batigaba bagende mutiyeli chiko. Bagambigwe nari turakonyegesa kugitu abantu aminto ndate nkorengo tebaiga na ile instructions abantu bari, and I want to read it in English, please. Sorry, I had to mix because my audience is purely omugusi, purely omunyaribari ominto abangi n'abanne barigege n'abagaga. To redress this, we have cleared the outstanding statutory deductions and just concluded the human resource audit. Our waiting. Again, take mo twakorete abantu aminto. Ntwakorete again tugekora ku head count. Tumanye mbantu kibaho kore count. Na kiye kyugwe bakwogera. Etwanyore atobale e payroll. Bakorete batariyo. Abande mo wacheki chi clip bakamenyete ngumbu bakunda amabako lyo mushara igayige account ntoko bati abagendere kuri mushara kibakale ngumbu kaki mubwati abana bajete skuruga omuntu oyo makoli emishara y'abante mia eyo is an audit by Public Service Commission. Nge AID namba yemo ekosoki chipin 192 ngongo mundu naro ko yo mushahara w'abantu 190 ngapi na kiwete bakwogera kiagera noba na chigosoka no bakokoraki bakoria mo wanje chibese jirani eto wote banga ki abana mbabwati certificate inkyo monta kogwera ogenda River Road oro certificate yo bokora ocholikwa ntoko lyo mwana wetete tumubeke gas nga kitoko gende liege saku toko wenda kubeka mauchi oke serikali ntoko gende abayikoye bako nyora abantu the best baba beke gas aba current banyora the best baba beke gas aba kamba intuto gende ko korobo se obocho plasma tukole. I have formed a committee to review the pending bills with a view to settle the legitimate cases. I want to reiterate that you will be paid for your work. With the supplementary budget, we hope to free funds to implement projects agreed upon with our people during the public participation. I know, for instance, that our roads are in bad shape. Hence, the need to move with speed to carry out the maintenance. I've just concluded constituting the County Executive Committee with the swearing in the CECs. Agriculture. The recruitment of chief officers is underway. I'm told they are politicians, and it's important. I'm told there are politicians going around soliciting for money to help secure these jobs. Let me inform members of the public that this process is free and competitive. Nobody should lie to you that you can influence your appointment. Abantu baminto abana siasa mbaroro bagende tukoenda round mpaka no abana siasa CMCA bagunjuka ngakibesa ngokoli ikande bagende tusangire kibesa kurwa saba gaki abana siasa aba nkoli bari umushahara mu wancha bayisa nekene kibesa cyabo muntu tako ngaina ngango sangire kibesa cyo nkwanira nje Simba mbese irenga barange gaki onye litukoli litwarengega litukeli mutakatumia karibu milioni 10 ono muondo yoteto dengeki asangire 100 1200 kakung'en omungi natoba sakoni ng'ombe omusaeto ni mboli ngane gasi wacha wakana wasocha waka olikwe yaya deta ya masakarawo onye ko weta to kwegas. The chair of the board kosa vere ngosa bole besa chinde besa nchio muswati yago sama igo muntu taba ngaina a board the commissioners abantu aba bayisireti biya nkuri bari umushahara kibesa kingia mbago saba besa kinde moyo ntoywana ine ketu abana to mumina toni bulimo ngango chagwakole yaya bakani nandi mukubuligwa ntebi tebi omwemca ntebi abandi mubwate kinamba kiyane ngosaba montebi ntuliwo kiwanjira na bocho abantu babo bakuli umushahara lakini bale bakonya kunchuka nako nandi kubukuli kibese kurwasa abantu abataka nto wanje nganchire nkolrega yiku wanre lakini bono ndagete mbutole ndagete ko wakira abantu baito. I want to say this. I want to conclude by making this remark. I want to thank all the stakeholders who turned up for this exercise. Let us know our status through testing, eliminating inequalities that affect HIV prevention and treatment, and support those living with the disease. Thank you. Abantu aminto tete nkole ngotebaika gaki mwanje lazima nkole bono monganchere nkwane gento kyomwelyo nini mwangete chikura emetenyi netatu yaelire ntoyiwana ine ebintu mbike birato nyoli esenge nchama deni twabwata amangi lakini nyasaye nali moyo nkoro stole account yeito egetivne kenki bwende utwarana na sabantu bago isaransa umuwaziri oyo o sports oyo umusayo noyo say noga korukiamu kama woni nerna lakini timu eti senge njino munyalibali intagita akolera abagusi chinyomba chons piegas mo wanje bo manyanga yamagosa uranyo na korete na ete wodie mu chiwodi chinde ebintu ngocha bire mwako yo disi osemo mae mwako yo no munyalibali no gaiga nerno mu waziri one nero teneta ba waziri aba bonds mboga gakina akora aya omuswati oyo kaya no the nyariba igonga tenaga da kera bangitire bobe obasi endweto mu waziri oyo mo byekororo oyo mo nyariba ali mbalenga ndweta batatu bogetutu nkarwaba waziri babere bobasi ndweto orkeyo oyo mo bogirango nkarwo oyo mo umachoge nkarwaba waziri babere lakini bobasi nkarwo yomo adenga ho chinyombe chichonsi abantu abatimba ite sengenje bakurwe nyomba gite esengenje bara abantu abakongu baratokonye munomo si ndiamon saransa nonya ne chief officer nkomekinde sure chonsi komnenye kiri nyomba na ndirasi mu chief officer correct atoke oliyo gutaka kumbyo obwembe esengenje asangerera kirasi cy'abantu amera obwembe ninje ntume deputy ya neba tebya mangana amakongu nalitora abantu turakole obuchara nande tutabatebeti obuchara obu mbako igwa lazima tubate lazima otebya umuntu mutumani ngakia no mutumani nali arati kubutuma mutumani ntaitentigere gago. I want to thank you. I've said so many things. But abantu bamintu monganchire mbabuli mule tayari tutali sabari ese myaka 5 mule tayari ndiamono yasaya baseni umumura nariga inchuga mungwano ndanariga na robo atamalindi ochite kurwari mungwano oyo mwenyo leteka twatu mukutanoga okuguru kwa yekwa gundete konyo kwa gundire mpaka waikire liuga toka muira karbachi ko cheki bakanyo kuguru nkokoreziki nkoijo toka mokonya Usina boy my brother. Na akoro rangu kwani ora abantu. Oyo na achite akaenda karigereri ebikoro byao Dr. Tucho. Ebikoro tuse mwamu pimete. Mbele tayari. Mheshimiwa Eric. Naye wate bikoro tebe. Byo mungwano we. No tuachite ko muri ndobu ati simi. Mheshimiwa make sure kwa nyoli rumungwano oyo ebikoro tebe yakore. Bienge no anesi mnawako ligurwe kibono. Lakini olio mina sana bete byo tu arwalite. Manye na arwalite familie ntaraba gento kieke. Don't worry. Ngoko bakonyande tokonyegesa kugeito. Tore usenke bemoya. Mu wanja boyo. No, don't worry. I have known you are one of the disabilities. You will be rehabilitated. But I'm up to see you. Ikiaroko kwa ngote uweitu manye. Mbia mono. Yesai no mbia. Ose muma eto mumroyo ga. Nande tu amurwale tibo kalege tie kitaliande. Akimbo bengo kon. Mbia mono yesai abasisen. Thank you. Enda kinkwaye umulegento, keke. Kubande gento. Umheshimiwa njua. Oligeria bantaba. Oyo ntu irete mechando ya Kemri. Ikare family ngimanja bwatu muchando. And I'm told we mono liritna arenge mu governor. Lero akinu mu governor. Let us revive case kia tro sento konyu muntu ya mabraya. N'abantu banda bange barwata. Mbiya mono nyasabe na abantu bamento. Thank you.
Asante sana Your Excellency Governor takwale tibia biya mono chise chiga turangiri babuji etaike babuji Your Excellency etaike babuji etaike mo echianga chiriji abana
amangana ya Governor yate banga tigakoega omwana bwe skuru wanye gokoega omwana bwe skuru mo pimere uniform babuji etaike
sawa
Apimere mokae mbuyamura abantu bamento ndate mogo tenga ki primera mokae uniform tiga koera abana besukuru ya bekerio yegera batige tiga koera abana besukuru kona gusuma abana besukuru ngobwatoro bunderechera DJ Aya, bueno, tú te eres DJ. Venga, vamos a pegar todo con Juan. Iba. Aya, Twitter.
Abasacha babega mukanzu bataita abana bakire sane uniform bataita abana babaifom omugaya timwa isomba ete yabakire moye derando mwasere y'abantu bugima kindoto babwate n'umwakimya banyoro mwana bwate umwana ibeto yato daketwana abayundi baite bakorera amasacha yaigana batere kuzoya abana besukuru Niramukae uniform Kuna gusina abana besukuru Niramukae uniform Ubatoro undetera Niramukae uniform Nirangaye kweretera Niramukae uniform Ubatoro undetera Niramukae
Kote utigere chini 100 nokonyura soda asichikwa chirichiatera najimo bateba Presiding-Nyanturago
Rosi njira tuendeze moyege tiga bana nkurusi ali gutiana ko mupira chidaka 15 iga igo tugendeze moyege ti transfer tugendeze moyege ti ensemo asante sana ensemo abamonege tiga yana mukure aro wambi karibu Suke Tiche konti sauti ya mic hapo simu. Tuka balimuri getiga tite suke. Eswala la yoga toka mtu. Check. Songesha fungua yes. Ndisha. Fungua stima msongeshe hiyo sound. Check. Songesha speaker hapa katikati. Songesha speaker hapa. Check. Mwangi tupe hiyo mic nyingine, tupe hiyo mic. Check. Check. Asante sana. Suka bono kurwa, suka kurwa se post. Silvia nipe mic. Suka kurwa se post. Check 1 2. Suka bono gabana. Ego kipa tsaire. Bia mono. Check. Aya shabiki karugeti, ama shabiki karugeti. Ama shabiki tusikie maiga askari wa kaunti yetu ya Kisii, tusaidie tu wananchi kuwaelezea wasonge nyuma kidogo. Anajitayarisha pale mchezaji nambari 1 Simba Arati Excellency Governor Kisii County. Okobe yago chotomera His Excellency wako sinoko. 1 2 check. Haya. Mchezaji Governor Simba Arati anasonga nyuma pale, goalkeeper akiwa na nywele 1 2 ndio huyo baba. Hey. Hatari kwenye lango pale. Haya, goalkeeper ameingia sasa, ni kutoka Nyamasibi. Mama! Asante sana Your Excellency. Thank you so much Councillor Steven Arika. Na wananchi watukufu, asante kwa kusherehekea siku kuu ya ukimwi ulimwenguni.
Simba